All men should be careful, especially if you find yourself within Nnewi North and South area. All these areas join the Imo State, Lilu, Akokwa, what do you call it? Mbosi, Ihiala, Olo, Otulu. There's so much insecurity. Guys gather say in the name of ESL and IPOB, we have different groups and they are capturing communities. Ayebus of Batagoni Nalonde vigilante each community. In fact, in places like Oto and Bohane direct attack, I watch a motor on the security vigilante work on all for the Egbe. Cabron I witnessed most of them, and they roam about the communities unchallenged. Moto habu moto ana ndị mmadụ between Nnewi Ukpo Oto Ezinifite Osumeyi Amichi ana mmadụ moto ana mmadụ moto on daily basis. You may see your own later, but ọkwa ma ana egbe ụmụazị a na-ebugharị abụrụ and mafia eyes, and the government is not there to challenge them. And they blame for much without the wrong marvelous in this. Upon the system, what they can do and what is entrusted in their hands, they will not allow such anomaly to be taking place. Those areas without police, Namichi Junction and Army, Amichi to is just 5 minutes drive. Banana again no motor, no to an road. Steady. These communities you find for the past 3 days now, and they were daily attack. And then they be happen on the buy. So all these things about untamed groups in the name of IPOB and ESN, Mapboa militants. Because what they want is their self-interest, not the general interest of Igbos. One is one Ibio, now one Ibio. I wonder if I see facing our enemies to say. The mandate will capture all these communities one by one, and they are succeeding. It was a burial within the Nnewi side of the communities now closing down. And Ogolum have captured vigilante some communities within Nnewi. Even in burial. As of Thursday, Friday, Ejeloto, it is a community near Ukpo and Nnewi. By the vigilante truck, J. Buebuha, Afro I capture one woman. I'm out of the news so far on camera live. And some other persons are unnecessarily. The whole thing is getting out of hand. So because why I'm saying this, I'm not here to speak much. If you find yourself within Ukpo, Amichi, Nnewi, please be very, very careful. These young men are moving all about, shooting unnecessarily, snatching cars and guns. So you have to be careful because opening anything Sienna, Jeep, Ebuteni Ebata side Ukpo and Osumeyi or Sumo side. Don't even try it. There's a community and the community is almost deserted now. And the community na Abagogo, Olo, and so on. Here, Ihembosi, and so on and so forth. Otulu, all those communities is not a place to thrive because as an Andoka, the alone.